says, we have completed up to question number 17. Look at question number 18. It says AD is the median of a triangle side BC of triangle ABC. So we have a triangle ABC in which AD is a median. It means D is the midpoint. Now again it says E is the midpoint of AD. Now E is the midpoint of AD. Next it says BE is joined and produced. So BE is joined and produced to cut AC at F. To prove AF AC given DAD median in triangle ABC. E is a midpoint of AD. BE is joined and produced to cut AC at F to prove AF is to AC is equal to 1:3. Now the solution says, solution, let DG a line parallel to BF constructed. Let DG parallel to BF constructed. So in triangle ADG, E is a midpoint of AD and EF parallel to DZ. So F is the midpoint of AG, converse of midpoint. So that's what we can write it. AF is equal to FG, situation number 1. We have taken in triangle ADG, E was a midpoint and these two lines were parallel, so F would be midpoint of AG. That is proved. Again, we'll take triangle BCF. Again, in triangle BFC, D is a midpoint of BC. This is a midpoint and BF parallel to DG. So that's what G is the midpoint of FC, converse of midpoint. So we can write FG is equal to GC, situation number 2. Again, AF plus FG plus GC is equal to AC. This is number 3. From 1, 2 and 3, AF is equal to 1/3 of AC. So that's what AF is to AC is equal to 1:3, proved. AF, FG and GC is equal. So AF is 1/3 of AC. So the ratio of AF and AC would be 1:3. Write it please. Question number 19. The question is wrong. You can see they have used NQ and MP is perpendicular. Again they are saying it is by intersecting AC at P and Q. So P and Q twice they have taken. So that I don't think the question is correct. Now in question number 20, 19 you don't have to do. You write 18, then we'll discuss about 20. Look at question number 20 after that. Triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle with AB is equal to AC. DEF are the midpoints of BC, AB and AC respectively. Prove that the line segment AD is perpendicular to EF and is bisected by it. Now, we'll just see this. Question number 20, 19 you don't need to do. There is a triangle ABC in which AB and AC is equal. Now we have three midpoints, that is D is a midpoint of BC, E is a midpoint of AB and F is a midpoint of AC. Okay. Now it says prove that the line segment AD is a perpendicular on EF. Given in triangle ABC, AB is equal to AC, D, E and F are midpoints of BC, AB and AC respectively. To prove AD perpendicular EF. Like this, and AO is equal to OD. Means EO is given. AD is perpendicular EF and bisected by A. Okay, AO is equal to OD. We have to prove. Now, first of all, solution says in triangle ABD and triangle ADC, AB is equal to AC, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB, is it? BD is equal to DC. Why? This is given. This is base angles and this is D is midpoint. So the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC. Side, angle, side, SAS condition. If the triangles are congruent, so angle BDA is equal to angle CDA, CP, CTC. This is one. Again, angle BDA plus angle CDA is equal to 180 degree. Straight angle they are forming. So that's what from 1 and 2. This is situation number 2. From 1 and 2, angle BDA is equal to angle CDA is equal to 180 by 2. 90 degree we got. Now what do we know? According to midpoint theorem, EF parallel to BC. According to midpoint theorem we know, if this is a parallel, so that's what AD perpendicular BC, so that's what AD perpendicular EF proved. This first thing is proved. Again, in triangle ADB, EO is equal to half of BD and OF is equal to half of DC according to midpoint theorem. So that's what EO is equal to OF proved. We have to prove, no? Just maybe we can write, let here one line you write, let AD and EO intersect each other at O. That we have not written. So you can write, because that intersection point is not given. So we have got the intersection point, then we proved BC and AD is a perpendicular on BC. Once AD is perpendicular on BC, it would be perpendicular on EF, because BC and EF is a parallel lines according to midpoint theorem. And then again EO would be half of BD and OF would be half of CD. Now BD and CD is equal, so EO and OF also would be equal. So EO OF is equal, so that's what AO